Arguably, the most important part of any manifesting technique is about getting you to receive the manifestations that the universe is offering to you. Believe it or not, the universe knows your deepest desires and is constantly trying to get them to you. It will not be wrong to say that the universe wants you to manifest your desire even more than you want it to. After all, you are an indivisible part of the universe, and so the universe knows. Most of your manifestations fail because you can't get yourself in a place where you can receive the manifestations that the universe has to offer to you. Do you want to learn how to align yourself with the universe so that you can get what you want? Effortlessly and easily? Keep watching this video till the very end. Just before we jump in, please take the time now to pause this video for a bit and subscribe to my channel. Do you think my channel is offering insights and value? Please like this video and share it with your friends, acquaintances, and family. Okay, let's jump right into our topic. We are going to discuss a special alignment technique called the TFA alignment technique. This technique is simple, but you need consistent practice and discipline to master it. The first step in the alignment is the think. T for think. You cannot get to what you want if you don't decide what you want and then think about what you want. So, be specific in what you want. Limit yourself to only one thing at a time. Maybe you want money. Maybe you are looking for love. Or maybe you are looking for freedom, health, happiness, or anything else. Whatever it is that you want, make sure it is specific. Once you decide what it is that you want, keep thinking about the various aspects of your desired manifestation. For example, if you are looking for money, then start also to think about what you are going to do with the money. or the stuff that you are going to get with that money. If you are looking for love, imagine where you will go with your special person, the places you would visit, the stuff you would share with them, on and on. In other words, you are building a more detailed story, more detailed outline, if you may, around your desired outcome. The second step is the feelings. F for feelings. Once you have set the goal of your desired outcome, you start to assess what feelings would be invoked upon you after reaching at the desired outcome. For example, if you have decided in the previous step to buy a car with your desired outcome of money, then with the power of imagination at your disposal, start to feel what you would feel when you see your dream car. How would you sink into the cushion of the driver's seat? The feel of the upholstery, the smell of the new car. On and on and on you go. If you want to manifest your soulmate, imagine how you would be loved or cherished by them. Imagine how you would feel flirting with them. Let your imagination go wild. The third and very important step is to take inspired action. When you take inspired action towards your desired outcome, you are making it possible for the universe to meet you halfway with what you want. You are giving the universe a chance to decide on how exactly to deliver the manifestation to you. When you take inspired action, you start to trigger the universe to move and move and move for you. So, if money is your desired outcome, then your inspired action could be to start learning a skill that would get you better career opportunities, or start to network with professionals in your industry so that people start to get to know you. Decide what exactly the first step would be in your case. If you want to find your soulmate, then you may want to get in shape to look more attractive. So maybe join a gym or start to identify places where you could meet your soulmate. Again, it could be at your gym, or it could be in your apartment complex, or it could be in a cafe or a restaurant. Identify a location and start to frequent it. Start to make yourself available for the universe to give you your soulmate. So, thank you once again for watching this video. I am keen to know what you think about the stuff I am sharing here, and more importantly, how these techniques have worked for you. See you in the next.